Good morning.
Good morning, Ms. Mathis, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Villaroo.
Good morning.
And we have Officer Wallace in here with us this morning as well.
Good morning.
Mr. Wallace. Good morning, Ms. Bradfield. Mr. Bachman. Is that him?
Good morning, everyone.
Ready to go. It's on you, Officer Wallace.
Right.
Right there, I got you.
State of Michigan, 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Sean B. Perkins. During proceedings, there should be no driving, smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, or laying down. Good morning to all. Good morning, y'all.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I lost my video. Can you still hear me?
Yes. I see you as well.
Yeah, I seem to have lost you, though. I can't see you, but as long as you can see me and hear me, I guess we're good.
Judge Perkins, can you see me too?
Yeah, I see you, Mr. Lindsay. I
Thank
got your email. I got your email this morning.
Okay.
How you doing, George?
Let's get going. I'm gonna try to get everybody out in the order that they came in, all right?
Okay.
Let's start with Ms. Rule. Are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good morning, everybody. Let's start. Ms. Rule, can you state your name for the record and your qualifications, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Evelyn Villaroo, certified court interpreter, number C3822.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you will interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Judge.
Very well. Let's start with the city of Detroit versus Jamie Licona Nava, case number SP 149-3887, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Vamos a comenzar con el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Jaime Licona Nava. Número de caso es 149-3887, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman. For the defendant, sir, please state your name.
Buenos días,
Alberto López.
yo soy Harry Baughman, representando al acusado. Señor, usted diga su nombre, por favor.
Alberto López.
Alberto Lopez.
No.
I think this is a different defendant who just spoke, Your Honor.
It is. Whereas Licona Nava has to unmute themselves.
Está silenciado, señor.
Okay.
Got you,
Hola.
sir. Okay. Can you state your name for the record, sir, please?
¿Puede usted decir su nombre para que conste en el acta, por favor, señor Licona?
Jaime Licona Nava.
Jaime Licona Nava.
Judge, this is a pretrial. I certainly hope the defendant has current registration and insurance.
Estamos aquí para la consulta previa al juicio y espero que el acusado tenga registración y seguro de vehículo y que estén vigente. Yes.
All right, let's see what you have, please, sir.
Permíteme ver lo que es que usted tiene, señor.
Mr. Licona Nava, please show the camera your documents.
Señor Licona Nava, por favor, muéstrele a la cámara su documento. Muéstrelo más cerca.
Mr. Licona Nava, can you hear us?
He's showing it. He's showing
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Él lo está mostrando, él no los está mostrando.
Let's see the insurance as well, sir.
Permíteme ver el comprobante de seguro de vehículo también, señor.
En la mesa. Okay.
She can sign that lead too. I think she can sign that. Sign it.
I'm satisfied. I'm gonna dismiss the case for providing valid documentation.
Quedo satisfecho, voy a desestimar el caso porque usted ha proveído documentación válida.
Gracias.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great day. sir.
Muchas
Y que
gracias.
tenga usted muy buen día, señor.
Muchas gracias. Igualmente.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Your Honor, would
Just-
you like the interpreter to wait in case the other gentleman needs an interpreter?
That's what I was gonna ask, but I don't believe he needs one. Mr. Super P, what is your name?
Alberto López.
Alberto Lopez. Do you need an interpreter, necesito interpreter?
Sí, por favor.
Oh, okay. There you go. Sombrero.
Quítese la cachucha.
Disculpe.
I'm sorry.
No problem.
No hay problema.
This is the city of Detroit versus Alberto Lopez. Monsian, case number S 1319136, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 135-43601. Appearance for the record, please.
Llevamos al caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Alberto López, números de caso SP19136, cargos 1 y 2 y SP1353601. Entonces digan los nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Alberto de Jesús López.
Alberto
Good morning, Your Honor.
López.
I'm sorry.
Buenos días, su señoría. Perdón.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P70578, on behalf of Mr. Lopez.
Buenos días, su señoría. Soy la abogada Bradfield, representando al señor López, B70578.
Today is the day and time set for an arraignment. Go ahead, Counselor. On the
Este
bench
es el
board.
día y esta es la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la lectura de cargos. Adelante, abogada.
For purposes of arraignment, he stand mute and wait for more readings, Your Honor.
Para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, él va a guardar silencio y renuncia a que le tengamos que leer los cargos formalmente, su señoría.
If you're not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. The offer is going to be pleading to the admitted count of failure to display, $240 fine. He has an absolute right to a trial. He has a valid license and insurance. I'll consider that. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield, and you can have a discussion with the lawyer. All right, sir?
El señor, sí que los van a pasar a nosotros una sala privada de consulta con la señora Bradfield.
Ok.
Ok.
See if he wants community court. If not, if he doesn't have that.
And are you able to give me a co-host unless I have it already? I don't know. Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Nicole Dewana Gaines, case number SP 148-17691. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant.
Good morning.
State your name, please, ma'am.
Nicole Dewana Gaines.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, Ms. Gaines. Do you have valid registration?
Yes, I do.
Can I see that, please?
Yes.
Slide it over to your left. There you go. All right, we're satisfied and dismiss the case with providing valid documentation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Nothing further, ma'am. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
Well, City of Detroit versus Tiffany Patrice Lindsay, case number SP 807-951, SP 148-0804, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ms. Lindsay, would you state your name for the record, please?
Tiffany Patrice Lindsay.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Judge, I hope Ms. Lindsay has current and valid registration and insurance on a motor vehicle. Do you, ma'am?
Well,
Yes,
let's see. She's
I have
running her driver's. Oh, you didn't have to extend your driver's license. She sent me a lot of stuff this morning, so she's come prepared. I have valid insurance. I have valid registration. And I'm going to dismiss the case.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, now, best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you. Can I leave now?
You may, ma'am. Have a good day.
You too, thank you.
Longmire.
Yeah, Longmire here.
City of Detroit versus Brandon Darnell Longmire, case number SP 105-8518, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 12. Strike that. SP 120-4314, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 142-3502, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 144-10591. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Mr. Longmire, please state your name, please.
Brandon Darnell Longmire.
The pretrial judge.
You have valid registration, insurance, and a license, sir?
Yes, sir, I do. All three.
Give him, run his license for me, please. And then let's see the valid insurance and registration, please.
Yes, sir. First up is the registration.
Okay, I'm satisfied with that.
And second up is the insurance.
Now that's in someone else's name.
Yeah, it said it's in someone else's name, but it's my vehicle. Same car. It's for the same vehicle, the F-150. I'm sorry, for the Expedition.
I see it. All right.
Okay.
Are you signed up on that insurance?
Yes, I am, sir. She's just the lead.
All right, very well. And I was gonna accept it anyway, but I was gonna say, if you're not signed up, if something happens, you might have some more difficulties there, but I'm
Oh,
gonna,
yeah, no, everything's, yeah, we got everything square on our end. Everything's good to go.
I'm gonna dismiss the cases and provide valid documentation. I'm gonna waive the warrant fees, but you're gonna owe the reinstatement fees, all right?
Exactly what reinstatement fee?
See, two reinstatement fees. Two
I already have my
reinstatement
license.
I understand. The state of Michigan has allowed people to get a license while they still owe reinstatement fees. But that doesn't, the court just doesn't waive reinstatement fees because of that. So they still owe the court $90 I see here. Two reinstatement.
Okay, that's no problem. I can settle that. I can settle that for the end of the day.
Very well. If there's nothing further, Mr. Bonmeyer, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, right?
All right, thank you. I appreciate it, Your Honor.
Have a great day.
When you're ready.
Good morning.
You can go back. Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Parche. That Helena Let Williams, case number SB 149-01551. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes,
Good
I'm
morning.
here.
Go ahead and state your name for the record, ma'am, please.
Parche Let Williams.
Thank you and good morning, Ms. Williams. Harry Baughman for the defendant, Your Honor.
Good morning.
She already provided valid documentation. Dismiss the case. Everybody.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We're batting 1,000 this morning. All right. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Case dismissed. David Lee.
Present.
City of Detroit. David Carl Lee, case number SB 149-72071. Appearance for the record, please.
Good Thursday morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Please state your name, sir.
David Carl Lee.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial, Mr. Lee. Let's see that valid insurance, please. Mr. Lee,
Excuse me?
let's see the valid insurance. You said you have valid insurance.
I sent it to you about 2-3 weeks ago.
Where email address did you send it under?
I called your secretary. She said it had been received.
What email address did you send it under?
I'd have to look. I can't, I mean, I was told you had it. Now I have to run out to my truck to get the, actually I have it on my phone.
I have it. All right, I'm going to dismiss the case, provide valid documentation.
Thank you.
Have a great day, sir.
So I'm free to go?
Recording in the court.
Have a great day.
So they come.
City of Detroit versus Jacob Latrell Leggett, case number.
Good morning.
SP 1493988, counts 1 and counts 2, appears for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Mr. Leggett, please state your name for the record. Mr. Jacob Leggett.
Jacob Latrell Leggett.
Sorry for mispronouncing your name, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. It's okay.
This matter is it's gonna necessitate a trial disregarding officer's signal. Where is that your brother, Trey Leggett?
No, that's just a relative.
That was who?
That's a relative. He has court also.
Is he here?
He is, Your
How you
Honor.
doing, Your Honor?
Where is he? Oh, there
I'm
he
here.
is. All right. It's your cousin now, right?
Correct.
Yes, Your Honor.
Also called the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Trey London Leggett. Case number SP 1495392, counts 1 and counts 2 in SX 38016831. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant, here for the purpose solely of asking this court for a trial date on behalf of both of these individuals at this time.
Mr. Trey London, how do you?
I didn't hear you. It was breaking up.
How do you spell your name, Mr. Trey London Leggett?
TRELONDON. Trey London Leggett. Leggett is LEGETTE.
There's no hyphen between, so we gotta clear this up, Miss Matt.
No, I'm sorry. It is a hyphen between Trey and London.
It is a hyphen between Trey and London.
Yes, sir.
So your first name is Trey London Leggett.
Yes.
Let's clear this one up. All right, same thing. I'm gonna trial date for both of you.
So.
He's got, it's like this. It's like, that's the record. That's the correct. That's gonna be the 22nd of January. And the reason being, the city does not want to offer on that right away until we hear from the officer's side of what that officer alleged happened. And then they will give an offer on it. So come in on both of you on January 22nd, 2023 at 9 a.m., right?
Okay.
All right, if nothing further, both of you have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. Have a nice one.
Oh.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez. Mr. Lopez, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Vamos a volver al caso del señor López. Señor López, ¿le dio usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada en una sala privada de consulta? Dígame, abogada, ¿qué quiere hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, I would like to ask the court if Mr. Lopez can pay his reinstatement fees and bring back a valid license and make sure that his next court date is scheduled on a community court date.
Su señoría, me gustaría pedirle a la corte permiso para que el señor López pueda pagar sus costos de reinstaurar la licencia para que de esa manera él pueda conseguir la licencia, regresar a la corte con la licencia y que esto se haga el día que se ofrece servicio comunitario.
I don't see any reinstatement fees that he owes.
Bueno, yo no veo aquí que él debe al costo de reinstaurar.
I will give him a pre-trial date so he can come back and get a license and we can bring him on a community court date.
Pero le vamos a dar una fecha nueva para la consulta previa al juicio, para darle tiempo a que él pueda conseguir su licencia y regresar con la licencia.
Okay. ¿Qué es lo que tengo que hacer para conseguir mi licencia?
Okay, then what is it that I need to do to be able to obtain my license?
You have to go to the Secretary of State and find that out, sir.
Usted va a tener que ir a la Secretaría del Estado, señor, y averiguar qué es lo que necesita hacer, señor.
Ahora mismo iré para allá. Muchas gracias.
No, thank you so much.
Let's give him a pre-trial date of 11/15/2023 at 8:30. You can take that time and and see what happens. We'll get you a valid license and we'll and some insurance and we'll dismiss the cases.
Entonces le damos una fecha nueva a usted. Anótela que es el 15 de noviembre del 2003 a las 8:30 de la mañana. El 15 de noviembre del 2023, the 15th, del 2023 a las 8:30. Así eso le da tiempo a usted a que consiga una licencia vigente y su seguro y así podemos desestimar los cargos cuando usted regrese.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
November 15th, 2023 at 8:30. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, sir.
Recuerde, el 15 de noviembre del 2023 a las 8:30 de la mañana. Buena suerte usted, señor, y que pase muy buen día.
Una pregunta, a las 11 de la mañana.
I have a question. Did you say 11 a.m.?
No.
No.
30 a.m. on November the 11th.
A las 8:30 de la mañana.
Okay.
En noviembre.
Okay.
Your Honor, may I ask for a repetition of the date again, November 15th or November 11th?
November 15th.
Okay, sure. El 15 de noviembre a las 8:30 de la mañana, señor.
Ok, muchísimas gracias, señores, muchísimas gracias pues por tratar de esa manera todo.
Thank you so very much, sir, and thank you so much for treating me in this kind way.
Very well. Have a great day, sir. Next time, remove your hat too.
Muy bien. Venga sin la cachucha.
Discúlpeme, pido disculpas.
I'm so sorry.
Have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Que pase buen día, señor, y buena suerte usted, señor.
Thank you so much.
Galaxy Note 10, Galaxy Note 10.
Yes.
Galaxy Note 10.
Yes.
What's your name, please?
Joseph Link.
I heard Joseph with an L. Link. All right, very well.
L-I-N-K.
City of Detroit versus Joseph Anderson Link. Case number is SP 148-1787, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 148-17901. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for Mr. Link. Would you state your name, sir?
Joseph Link.
Mr. Link, have you done Better Drivers?
Yes.
The online driver's education course?
Yeah, I emailed him the certificate to his email this morning.
Nice. Thank you.
And I actually sent in the proof of insurance with the email too.
Is your license valid?
No, I don't.
Say less.
All right. I have proof of class. I have Better Drivers course. I have proof of insurance. And that leaves us with driver's license. Is that what that leaves?
The driver's license and the moving violation.
Okay, Ms. Snyder, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexis Schneider for the people, P80322.
All right, good morning to you. We have Joseph Link, who did take the driver's course, who did bring in insurance, but is not able to get a license yet. Why aren't you able to get a license, Mr. Link?
I haven't been able to afford it right at the moment. So like I say, I was in the process of trying to get a license.
So if I give you some more time, when will you be able to do so?
I'm actually right now, I'm actually waiting on to take a loan out of my 401k to take care of the license situation. So like I say, I'm just waiting on the money to come so I can go and try to at least pay the tickets down and see where do I have to go from there. I don't even know what I have to do.
Well, I would suggest you go straight to the Secretary of State. You may be eligible for a license because none of this stuff is affecting your license.
Okay.
So I'll give you some more time to get that. It sounds like you got it in the works.
Oh, fuck.
What's that? Is that Martell?
Yes.
Is that you making those expletives?
No, I was yawning, Your Honor. I apologize. No, I was yawning.
I know, take your hat off.
Oh, okay.
I hope you have a valid license too. All right. Let's do this.
Your Honor, he does have a no insurance civil infraction.
Yeah, but it's not.
Okay.
It's not in default. It's not in default. It's not in default. So he doesn't have a reinstatement fee on that. So let me give him until pre-trial November the 27th, and then by that time, that'll give Ms. Snyder an opportunity on how gracious she'll be on Better Drivers course.
Yeah, I did. I finished the Better Drivers course.
Yeah, I know you did.
Oh, okay.
All right, come back on 11/27/2023, November the 27th, 2023. And hopefully you have all that stuff together, all right?
At what time? At what time?
At 8:30, at 8:30.
On November 27th?
8:30.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day.
You too. Have a blessed day. Thank you.
Hello?
All right.
Sorry, I can't hear you. I can
What's
hear you
your
now.
name, sir? What's your name?
Carlos Gonzalez.
Carlos Gonzalez. All right, sit
Yes,
tight.
sir. All right, thank you.
Okay, let's move on down to Mr. Lilly. Counselor, are you ready on Lilly?
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Attorney Christopher Smith, P number 83547. I'm standing in for Gary Janadia. Mr. Lilly just hired us a couple days ago, and I put in an appearance to the main fax, even though I didn't have your exact your email. But I guess this is the date and time set for a bench trial, but if I don't know if the officer is here or not. If the officer is here, I would like some time to speak with Ms. Snyder for possibly plea negotiations and an adjournment if we need it.
All right, let me put you in a breakout room. The officer is here, did show up, so I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Snyder. You have a conversation with her. Let us know what happens when you come out.
Thank you so much.
L. Grimes, LaBarisha Grimes, LaBarisha Ann Grimes, did I get the pronunciation correct?
LaBrisha. Yes, thank you.
All right. City of Detroit versus LaBrisha Ann Grimes, case number SP 111931, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1312011, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Grimes. State your name for the record, Ms. Grimes.
LaBrisha Grimes.
Did you hire Attorney Polk?
No, I actually was in the process of retaining another attorney and wanted to know if I can get another hearing date so he can have time to prepare.
Sí, ahí le dije, espérame un rato, jefe. Yo les paro el lunch, no hay pedo. Ahora pues.
Ask for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, she stand mute and wait for more readings, Your Honor.
In a not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. Attorney Polk is signed up on these cases, ma'am.
Court appointed?
No, but at some point, I don't know where you, have you had any contact or have you ever talked to Attorney Polk?
No, my attorney name is Mark Mackley.
I don't know how Attorney Polk got signed on here. Why don't we get Attorney Polk in here, please? Numbers. So,
What's the difference there? LaBrisha Grimes. I see it. Oh.
all right, let's pass the matter and let's see where Attorney Polk knows about this. And he's a very good lawyer now. You have your own, and that's good as well. Let's pass that matter unless we need to get him off these cases if he's not going to represent you. Okay. Let's go with, who's the iPhone 446? iPhone 446. Ma'am, sitting there. What's your name? What's your name, ma'am?
Is this Charnel Greer? I
Greer?
don't know what my name is on here. My first
It's
time
like-
on it.
You're right. You're the one. I'm taking Charnel Yvette Greer.
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit. Versus Charnel Yvette Greer. Case number 214-548-911. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Miss Greer, state your name.
Charnel Yvette Greer.
We're here for an arraignment, so for that purpose, Your Honor, please enter a not guilty plea. The defendant waives any more formal reading of the information, complaint, or warrant.
Enter not guilty plea on her behalf. Give her a $0 bond. Ms. Greer, do you have valid license, ma'am?
No, sir.
We need to set it for trial. Take the amended count of failure to display. I'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Hoffman. He can explain things to you. It's a $240 fine. It is a misdemeanor. It will abstract to the Secretary of State. However, it won't carry any points. And may speak to Mr. Hoffman in the breakout.
Thank you.
Mr. DiMaggio, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge, and how are you doing today?
Very well. How about yourself?
Good. I
could be better. Honestly. Go ahead.
Yeah, I have a Pebble Calbass. I was informed that after a long struggle, he did recently receive the title, so he can get all these documents in a relatively short period of time. He got the title 2 days ago. Is it possible you just put this out and then come in there with the docs?
How long?
I would say probably a matter of 3 weeks, I'll have everything.
I thought you were going to say a couple of days. He was, if I remember, that may have been yesterday.
Yeah. The problem was the guy sold him the car, but he wouldn't give him the title because he wanted more money, but he finally settled the matter and he did receive the title.
Spell his last name, please.
Even if you give him a week, he could probably have all the documents.
Spell his last name, please. Mr.
Oh,
DiMaggio.
Kalbass. K as in kitty.
BASS.
Yeah, like a bass fish, Calbass.
And then what about first name? P.
Pavel with a P, Pavel.
City of Detroit versus Pavel Frank Kelbath. Case number SP 1455860, counts 1, 2, 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Andrew DiMaggio, P45619, on behalf of Pavel Kelbass.
Yes, sir. I'm going to give a pre-trial date of 11/27/2020 at 8:30.
Thank you, Judge.
Have a great day.
You too. Take care.
All right, what are we going to do on the Brandon Lilly matter?
Good morning again, Your Honor. Attorney Christopher Smith, P number 83547. I had a chance to talk to Ms. Snyder, the prosecutor. We're just going to request an adjournment so that I can write a deviation request, and I'm confident that we can get it resolved in one more date. If you give us, 30 days or so.
City of Detroit versus Brandon Michael Lilly, case number SB 1404191. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Attorney Christopher Smith, P number 83547, standing in for Gary Janady on behalf of Mr. Lilly, who's on Zoom. Mr. Lilly, can you unmute and state your name for the record?
Yes, sir. Brandon Liley.
Liley, I'm sorry. There's a date and time set for a trial. I do have Officer Steiner that appears, but I'll accept the fact that you just got retained, you need an adjournment, so I'm gonna, do you want a trial date again, or you want another pre-trial?
Well, either one, Your Honor, because I think we can get this resolved on the next date. So I guess a pre-trial, but I'm gonna write this deviation and we can get this off your docket.
Pre-trial is gonna be November the 27th, 2023 at 8:30.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right, you both have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too.
Martell.
Oliver.
Oliver. Good
Yes.
morning to you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Martell. Stephen Oliver, case number SB 1497041, count one and count. Please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Oliver. State your name for the record, sir.
Yes, Martell Stephen Oliver.
There's a date and time set for we adjourned the case. There's a date and time set for a pre-trial. You have valid registration and insurance, sir?
Yes, sir. Registration right here, sir.
Hold it up, hold on, it's gonna, all right. Very well.
Insurance right here, sir. Can you see it?
I see it. All right, I'm gonna satisfy, I'm gonna dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. We see or any other fees.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No, you owe the court $198 for a 2017 case, but I'm gonna dismiss these cases. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You said I owe the court?
You owe the court on an old 2017 ticket, $198.
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
The officer never know your case was adjourned, Officer Stein.
Okay. You allowed it again?
Pardon me?
You were not very happy to allow the last one. That's why I was surprised.
Oh, I didn't know that would have been adjourned before. If he got a lawyer this time.
Okay, what, do we know the adjourn date?
This pre-trial, 11/27.
Okay, so I'll get a new subpoena. Thank you.
Let's see with Gillespie. Stephen Gillespie. Oh, let's get the gentleman there. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, sir. Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Stephen Gillespie, case number SP 1495411. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of the client, Your Honor. State your name for the record, sir.
Stephen Eugene Gillespie.
Today is the date and time. Good morning to you, Mr. Gillespie. Do you have a valid driver's license? Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Do you have a valid license, sir?
No, sir.
All right, failure to display, $240 fine, absolute right to a trial. Put you in the breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. She can explain things to you. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. What's your name?
George Garden.
Garton, okay. Are you on a cell phone, sir?
No, I do not.
Connect, so you can speak to the lawyer. Illegal dumping, I'm gonna fine you if you found guilty. If you take a plea, I'm gonna fine you $500 maximum penalty on illegal dumping.
Oh, instead of the 1650, but that ain't for the day, that's for next month, but I'll take that.
What's 1650?
Yeah, they tried to charge me 1650.
That's it's two different things. This is criminal. That's over there taking your car and stuff like that. You're gonna have to pay that fine too if you haven't already. This is gonna be another penalty. That's the illegal dumping. It's too big of a problem here.
I cleaned it up, but it was one of them days, it was winter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. That's no excuse. Sure. It's winter, summer, nobody wants that junk in their neighborhood.
Sure.
I'm gonna let you speak with a lawyer. You have an absolute right to a trial. We need to get them hooked up on phone. I get them on my phone. I got a extra phone.
Okay, also, sir, you know what I do is it?
Doesn't matter. What's that?
I have 6, no plates, no title, no registration.
I see all that. They're gonna speak to you about all of it. Use my mom's phone.
Yeah, she took me off bond.
Oh, well, use my mom's phone. All right, we're waiting on a lawyer now. Okay, let's go back on the record with Ms. Greer. Is that Ms. Greer?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm giving you an opportunity, ma'am. Just go out there.
Oh, he right here. All right. Who does he call? What number does he go?
He's zooming.
Is it zooming?
The Zoom ID number.
Zoom ID number. Okay.
You know how to zoom in. Huh?
Yeah. Yep.
All right. Let's go back on the record. Ms. Greer. Ms. Greer, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Will we lose Mr. Bachman? All right, let me stop that. Let's get this iPhone. I'm going to ask you to unmute yourself so you see that. Unmute yourself on that iPhone and tell me who you are, please.
Rashad Green. Oh, sorry.
Which one? Miriam?
No, I haven't. Green.
Yes, sir. Rashad Green. Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, Mr. Green.
Good morning, sir.
Samsung SM A037U. Samsung, gentlemen sitting down. I'm gonna ask you to unmute yourself. To see the prompt.
Yeah, hello.
Not you, not you. Edgar, what's your last name, Edgar?
Gonzalez.
Let me see your face, please. Okay, you're not the Edgar. All right, Samsung, SMAO 37. I just asked you to unmute yourself. State your name, please. The gentleman sitting there with the beard on the couch. Yes, you.
Louis.
Okay. State your name.
Hello. Louis Lige, you talking to me, Your Honor?
Not you yet, Mr. Lodge. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Greer. Ms. Greer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, would you please set this matter for a bench trial by way of Zoom? The defendant's been advised of her rights. She is going to also been advised as to how to restore a driver's license. I think she, with a little focus, she can come back with one of those.
Well, she owes this $354 on this old operating a high BAC. I didn't get into the fact of what you did or did not do. I know that you're basically in violation because you haven't paid the money.
You mentioned that, and I'm sorry.
I don't know what else she has was ordered to do on that. What's going on with that, ma'am?
I've been down there several times to pay that fine. At the end of my probation, I didn't have the last $200. This was back in like 2016 or so. I can't even remember. And so it's just been a cluster with being switched from courtroom to courtroom and call. I've come down there with the money. They wouldn't accept the payment. I've been to the box. It won't accept the payment. And then I had some tragedy situations happen to me, and I've been kind of shut in since 2020. I was shot.
I'm sorry to hear that. Are you able to pay it now?
Probably within the next 30 days, not today.
All right, well, you're gonna be able to pay it now because I recalled the warrant. And since it's so old, if you pay it, I'll close it out. That may help you get a valid license. I'm gonna set a trial date for you for January the 22nd, 2024 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Right. Let's move on. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gillespie. Mr. Gillespie, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Let me ask you this, sir. Why don't you have a valid license?
About 10, 12 years ago, I got into a car accident and I did not have insurance. And unfortunately, I owe State Farm a large amount of money.
And you come zooming in court in the driver's seat of a car.
Sir, I was moving the car to the other side of the street. No excuse.
I didn't ask you what you were doing. I just asked you, you come zooming in court without a valid license in the driver's seat of the car.
Oh, no. Oh, you're talking about right now. No, sir, I'm at work. I'm waiting to go inside. I told my guys that I had to do this and I'm sitting out in my supervisor's truck.
All right.
Oh, no, I'm at work, Your Honor.
Everybody says that, Mr. Gillespie. Everybody comes in the driver's seat, but nobody's driving. You know, what's that song? Everybody wants to go to heaven, but nobody wants to die. You know, everybody says that. So, what's your client want to do, Ms. Bradfield?
Your Honor, my client is aware of his trial rights. However, he would like to enter a guilty plea and accept the recommendation.
Want to do that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
You put your hand down, sir. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Bradfield went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
Do you know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Draw your attention back to September 2nd, 2023 at 8:28 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Curtis and Ardmore Street, sir. Do you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, Your Honor.
You could not do so, could you, sir?
I beg your pardon?
You couldn't produce that license, could you?
No, Your Honor.
And why is that?
I did not have one, Your Honor.
Okay, right? You don't have a license, right?
No, Your Honor.
I'm finding guilty, amended count, failure to display. 240, when can you pay it, sir?
Can I pay it next? I get paid next Friday.
So you get paid on the 20th. Have it in here by the 20th, no later than the 27th, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Is it show that Mr. Garden is logged in correctly? Okay.
City of Detroit versus Janae Lathan, case number SP 149-46241. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Bockley for the defendant, Lathan, excuse me. State your name, please.
Janae John Lathan.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning to you, ma'am. You have a valid driver's license?
No, but I do have a permit.
Run her driver's license, please. Janae Lathan. License is valid. You want to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Have a very good day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, you too.
Just trying to do something.
He probably on the way.
All right, thank you. Ms. Snyder, Judge Taylor, said she needs you back. Let's move on to LeVay. Did I get that right, Carol LeVay?
It's Carol Leva.
Leva, I'm sorry.
Leva, yes. They misspelled my name.
Oh, who did? On the ticket they did?
Yes.
How do they spell it?
Leyva.
Leyva?
Yes.
That's how they spelled it, or is that how you spell it?
That's how it's spelled. They spelled Y.
Hold on a second. Let me mute this to her. All right. How is it spelled on the ticket?
It's spelled Leyva.
City of Detroit versus Carol Leva. Or did I get that wrong again?
It's Leva.
Carol Leva. Case number SP 149-64651. Appearance for the record, please.
Carol Leva.
Daphne Bradley on behalf of Ms. Leva.
Today is the date and time set for a retrial. But I'm having a hard time finding her. Okay, I see. Ms. Leva, do you have a valid driver's license, ma'am?
No.
Why don't you have a license?
Because I don't have a social.
Oh. Well, very well. You want to join our community court on Wednesday? You want to come back on Wednesday and join our community court?
Yes.
That's going to require you to do some community service.
Is there any way I can pay off the ticket?
All right, $240 fine, failure to display, put you in a breakout room, and you have an absolute right to a trial. So you can either head your bed at trial or you can take the deal. Put you in a breakout room with Mrs. Bradfield. She can go over your options. Let us know what you want to do. Mr. Mohammed, counselor, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. Good morning to you and your staff. How are you?
Very well.
Morning. My sincerest apologies, Judge. I was caught on another matter. I am here for Mr. Rashad Green, please.
Rashad Green, okay. You know, my mom's is very, very sick. Counselor.
I'm very sorry to hear that. I'm gonna give her a call.
You won't be able to give her a call.
Judge, I'm actually going to be in your building in a minute. If I'm going to stop by for a moment, if I may.
All right, let's do this on since you're on Zoom now. I don't see on the docket today. He's here. RASHAD, right, Mr. Green?
Yes.
Is that an E on the end of Green or just no E? Oh, I see.
No E.
I see. City of Detroit versus Rashad Ali Green, case number SP 140-49862. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor, and to your staff. May it please this most honorable court, Mohammed Nasser, P74485, appearing on behalf of Mr. Rashad Green, who appears via Zoom, consents to the hearing over Zoom. Mr. Green, please state your full name for this honorable court.
Rashad Ali Green.
Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, defendant would waive the former reading, stand mute, humbly request the court to enter a not guilty plea on his behalf.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. You have a valid license, Mr. Green?
I go to 22nd this month to get them.
Come back on pre-trial on 11/27, November the 27th.
Yes, sir.
2023 at 8:30. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Thank
you, Judge.
Yeah, you both have a very good day. Best of luck to you. I'll see you in a minute.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. You too, Judge. Sorry to hear about your mother.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's move on to what happened to Grimes?
We clear.
Yeah. Well, I'm still here, Judge, but
Did you ever get in touch with Pope?
Yeah, he answered. He tried to miss him.
Oh, I'm sorry. Waiting on Pope. We tried to call him, but no answer. So we'll call him again. We just need to get him off that case if you're not gonna allow him to represent you. What I can do is you need some time to get another lawyer, right? Let's go back. Let's go back on the record with Grimes. Who was represented? Well, that was Mrs. Bradfield as well. Miss Bradfield. Let's go back on the record with Miss Grimes. What we'll do is we'll set another pre-trial date. You indicated that you wanted to get some stuff together, Miss Grimes. Is that true?
yes, I wanted to give my attorney enough time to prepare because he wasn't quite prepared for today. So if
Your Honor,
possible,
someone else is speaking while Ms. Grimes is speaking.
Yeah, who's making that noise? All right, let's go with you need to pay this if you could pay this $336 on this no proof of insurance, then that will get you clearances down here.
okay. Let me write that
Then
down.
come back on I'm gonna give you a free trial date of November the 27th as well. Come back on November the 27th, 2023 at 8:30. You pay this $336. You can pay that at any div that kiosk, City of Detroit, so you can upload that div that app on your phone. But that would give you clearances down here at the 36th District Court. You wait 48 to 72 hours, and then you could potentially get a license and bring one back. So, and then that'll give you some time to settle up, and we'll have Mr. Polk in here at the next hearing so that he needs to clear himself off this case.
Okay. I'm not sure. So when I came down there, they automatically appointed him to me. I'm not sure how that.
I don't know. That's I don't have a clue.
Yeah, because I'm not familiar with who he is. But okay, so you said to go ahead and pay the $336. Before the 20th. I'm sorry.
I would pay the $336 and try to go get a license. Wait 48 to 72 hours after you pay that $336.
Before the 27th, which is the next pre-trial date.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. All right.
And I'm sorry.
Yeah.
No.
You have another question?
No, I just wanted to make sure that everything is the same. Like when I the hearing and the meeting ID and all, everything is the same.
Everything's the same.
Okay.
All right. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you so much. You too.
All right. So City of Detroit versus Christina Ledbetter, case numbers. SP 145-23751, SP 147-58411. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for Miss Ledbetter. State your name, please, ma'am.
Christina Ledbetter.
Christina. Okay, very well. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial on one case. It seems like you have another case in the park after dark. That seems like you paid that. Oh, that was dismissed by Carter. Dismissed completed community service. We need to close that one out. As for the reckless driving, offer is going to be pleading to amended count of drag racing, 4-point offense. You have an absolute right to a trial, and I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Boffman to speak with him about it. All right?
Yes.
Join the room. We'll pass that matter. We'll go back on the record with Ms. Lavia. Ms. Lavia, her name is spelled wrong. Your name is L-Y-V-A?
Leyva, yes.
Leyva, right?
Yes.
All right, we'll correct that. All right, let's go back on the record. What's your client want to do, Ms. Bradfield?
Your Honor, my client would like to participate in the community court program.
Come back. Is that what you want to do?
Yes.
We have some excellent lawyers in here today, and let's have you back on. Let's do this the 18th. 2023. Yeah, at 8:30. All right.
Okay.
Come back morning on 8:30, ma'am. 18th. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. I have a question. Is it going to be through Zoom?
Yes.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Well, bye-bye.
All right. Ken's Kitchen. Oh, let's get Mr. Let's do this. This is the City of Detroit versus George Timothy Edward Garton. Case numbers SP 1287471, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1446751, SP 1490114, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Garton. State your name for the record, please.
Ask him to unmute himself.
George Timothy Edward Garton.
Today is the date time set for a pre-trial, and I don't know what the other ones are set for. Let's see. I already went over with your client that if he's found guilty or takes a plea on this illegal dumping case, we're going to fine him $500. Let's arraign him on the other cases.
For purposes of arraignment, he stand mute away from readings, Your Honor.
I will enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. either. He mentioned, I think you had some documentation. Did you have some documentation, Mr. Gardner?
Yes, I do. I got the pamphlet, I got the registration, proof of insurance, driver license.
Driver's license is good. I don't see any driver's license issue here. You got
Yeah,
registration.
it was, I was driving the car with no plate.
But you have all that rectified now.
Yes, sir.
All right, join the breakout room and speak with Ms. Bradfield on that illegal dumping. It's $500 fine if he gets found guilty or takes a plea on that. Excuse me.
What about the traffic, Your Honor?
Well, the traffic, if you have the documentation, I'll dismiss those. So talk to Ms. Bradfield and let him know he has an absolute right to a trial. Join the breakout room, please.
Your Honor, I sent a chat a little while ago. Can we release Officer Muhammad on Larry Lige?
Yeah, Larry Lige. Okay, let me quit. Yes.
He's checked in, but his, thank you.
He said he doesn't have recollection.
Yes, it's a 2016 ticket.
I'll just mark the file that you appear. Officer Muhammad.
Officer Muhammad, you're good to go.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Be safe.
You too.
Okay. All right. Ken's Kitchen. Who is Ken's Kitchen? Is he gone? Ken's Kitchen is gone. Samsung A037U. Is Samsung A037U. You were trying to speak earlier, but we never got the gentleman on the green sweat top. All right, you have to do something to correct your audio. I see you're connected to audio here, but something about maybe your speaker is, or you need to turn up the volume on your end or something like that. I don't know, but you're connected to audio here. So let's move down to Jay's iPhone, who's got his hand raised. How you doing, Jay?
I'm all right today, sir. How you doing?
All right, can you remove your hat, please? What's your full name, please?
Joshua Grant.
Joshua Grant?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's see what Mr. Grant has. He's got a job on that.
Yes, sir. A good one.
So he can pay these tickets, huh?
Yes, sir.
I hope they call me.
You hope they do. I'll call you at some point.
Sorry about that.
Getting there. You're lucky they weren't here yesterday. We were here until 2 o'clock. You have a valid license, Mr. Grant?
No, sir, I do not. When I
got a good job, no license.
That's what I'm about to tell you, sir. When I graduated from college and I came back to Michigan, the state police took my Georgia license. And what happened was I ended up acquiring tickets within the city, a few different cities. I went last August I paid off $5,000. I paid off my tickets and went to the Secretary of State, took the test. They took my reinstatement money. And then they told me I could not get my license because I had 3 or more tickets in different cities. You know, even though I paid them, they told me I would have to wait a year.
When are you going to be able to get a license? When are you going to be able to get a license?
Well, she told me I would have to wait a year, which was this past August, because I had 3 or more tickets in different cities. She said
okay,
it was.
So what, did you go back and try to get the license that's past the year time?
Well, I'm on a payment plan with Oakland County. So I'm paying those off before I go back to Secretary of State.
They didn't teach you in college to drive legally and follow those.
No, sir. I went to school for something totally different.
Snyder, he's got a, it still doesn't tell me when, because if you take this deal Ms. Snyder's gonna give you, failure to display, that's gonna be another abstraction on your license, and that's gonna put you further in the hole.
I understand, sir. I mean, I paid everything off. I tried to go get it. I didn't know I was gonna get hit with the stipulation, but in the midst of me, waiting a year to go redo my license, I got hit with another ticket in Canton. And I'm on a payment plan for that. So I'm trying to, I'm paying that off monthly so I can just, go back to Secretary of State and get my license.
What's the offer, Ms. Snyder? Grant, driver while license suspended, no insurance, misdemeanor.
Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. It would be a FTD, Your Honor. I missed the beginning of the client's statement. Is he eligible or is he on a hold?
Well, he's kind of going all over the place. He said he was eligible as of August. He said he's eligible as of August, and then I asked him why he didn't go, and I think he got some other ticket some of the time in between then.
Yeah, and in the midst of me, within a year of me going back to take care of it, I acquired a ticket in between the time. So I didn't go in August to reapply because I have to pay off Oakland County first before I go to state.
You didn't go to school for driving either. You got all that education and didn't go to school for driving. All right, let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Ledbetter. Ms. Ledbetter, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, we are asking here and now for a waiver trial date by Zoom, please.
All right. That's what you want to do, Ms. Ledbetter?
Yes.
All right, trial date's gonna be January the 22nd, 2024 at 9 a.m., all right? There's nothing further. Have a good day. Best of luck to you.
You say that. Sorry about your mother.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Garden, let's go back on the record with Mr. George Garden. Mr. Garden, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, first I would like to say I did verify the documentation for my client as far as valid proof of insurance and valid proof of registration, both expire next year. He would like to enter a guilty plea and accept the people's recommendation in regards to the dumping charge. And we ask that all of the matters be dismissed, Your Honor.
All right, that's what you want to do, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor, for your
I don't have an actual ticket here, so he's gonna have to give his own accurate factual basis. I can probably get the date and time off of the system. So. You want to proceed like that, Counselor?
What year was this ticket written, Your Honor?
Let's see if I can
March 27, 2023.
Well, he knows.
Yes, we can proceed like that.
March 27, 2023.
Yes, we can proceed like that, Your Honor.
All right, sir, raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. You understand, sir, you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Nope, I didn't hear all that. Repeat that, please.
You understand, I think the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. You understand that?
Correct.
Ms. Bradfield went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, Your Honor.
This will also be a 12-month delayed sentence, so we're not going to dismiss the case until after the 12-month period. If you don't get in any more trouble like this, with this dumping will dismiss the case if you have paid your fine and you don't get any more trouble. You still want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Bradfield went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Repeat the question.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
I didn't hear that.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
Yeah, no, I do not, sir.
Do you not? This is the time.
I do not.
All right. You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give up those rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Yes, Your Honor.
Somebody's offered you something other than what we said we'll do today?
He told me to give him $1,650.
Who is he?
Some Jewish lawyer, some lawyer, I don't know his name. It's not on this paper here. Say that again.
Represent you, right?
He tried to get me to sign an appeal, but how can I appeal something I never went to court on it?
I don't know.
He said, Your Honor, he said, you found me guilty.
I don't see that you pled guilty on this at all.
I didn't.
Yeah, I don't see anything. This hasn't been adjudicated. Matter of fact, it's under bench warrant now. Was it a reissue? No, I don't see but one charge like this in your name. So, well, I'm talking about has anybody in here offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, they have not, Your Honor.
All right. Let me draw your attention back to March the 27th, 2023 at around 4:35 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Gallo and Sorrento. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and time?
Yes, Your Honor.
What did you do out there?
Say that again.
What did you do out there?
We got this house, I cleaned the yard and I put it in black plastic bags and I throw it on the ground, less than 6 feet away from my truck.
And in that area, right?
Gavel.
And you didn't own that property, did you?
No, I did not, sir.
All right, you satisfied, Miss Bradfield?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, I'm satisfied. I'm gonna find you guilty as charged, sir. Fine you $500 under a 12-month delayed sentence. When can you pay?
Within them 12 months?
Nah, you're gonna have to get it in here before that. I'm gonna set the
Say that
matter
again.
You're gonna have to get it here before that. I'm gonna set the matter for review on January 12th, 2024 at 8:25, all right?
I thought you said it was 12 months. You only gonna give me 90 days to pay it?
Yeah, the 12 months is the delayed sentence. That means that if you complete the sentence and everything is paid, everything is paid off, and that you also don't get any other illegal dumping tickets, then I will dismiss the case.
Thank you.
All right, so come back on January 12th, 2024, and let's have it paid by then, all right?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Any further questions, sir?
No, I do not.
All right, and with the stipulation of probable cause, I'm gonna dismiss the other matters. For one, providing valid documentation, and for two, that's probably gonna be per the plea anyway.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, the other matters are closed out, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'll waive any warrant for you. Okay, have a good day, and bring me my phone back, please.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Here you go. Yep. Leave.
Yes. All right. Samsung, did you ever get your device together? Gentleman with the green sweat top, did you ever get your volume working? No, he didn't. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put you out and put you back in. Maybe that'll help. Zoom back in. He's saying something, but I can't hear anything you're saying. So zoom back in, sir. I'm gonna remove you from the room and try. I'll let you back in. I'll say your place in line. City of Detroit versus Joshua Keith Grant, case number SP 1467411, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman. On behalf of the defendant, Mr. Grant, state your name.
My name is Joshua Keith Grant.
Thank you.
All right, today is the date and time, set for a pre-trial. Mr. Grant indicated that he doesn't have a license, that he's having some issue with getting his license. He did give us a date of August that he was eligible, but I believe he, in between that time, caught another ticket, and it's probably run his driver's license, please. Gotcha. Let's pass the matter. We'll see what's going on. On the 313-939-1972 number, I'm gonna ask you to unmute yourself and state your name, please. Press *6 to unmute yourself.
Yes, how you doing? My name is Natasha Looney.
Natasha who?
Looney.
Louis?
No, Looney, like Looney Tunes.
Oh, okay, Looney.
Mm-hmm.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Yes.
Good morning. Hello.
Yeah. This is Latasha.
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Latasha Latrice Looney, case number SP 146-80093. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant, Miss Looney, state your name.
Natasha Looney.
This is a formal hearing, Your Honor. Looking for Corporal Whitehead.
Yes, Corporal Whitehead, Detroit Police Department, badge 4344.
Good morning, Corporal.
All right, good morning to you, Corporal. Miss Looney, let's see what the ticket reads. Right.
It's okay, brother.
Defective equipment ticket, is this a windshield ticket?
Yes.
Let me see, you called in, did you get the windshield fixed, Miss Looney?
No, I wasn't able to get it fixed yet. I need a little bit more time.
What's your position on this?
I'm probably next, man. Oh, you're
Whitehead?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. We got a lot of interruptions, so I can barely hear you.
All right, I'm gonna start muting people now. See if you can hear, see if we can go now.
Okay, yes, I can hear you, Your Honor. Yeah, Miss Looney, I pulled over for expired plates, wrote her for expired plates, no registration, defective windshield, unregistered motor vehicle. My concern was, did she ever get her, I haven't talked to the prosecutor yet, but did she ever get her place together, the registration? You know, I don't know that as of right now.
Did you get your plates and registration together, Miss Looney?
Yes, I did. I turned it over to you, and the only thing I had left was the windshield.
Yeah, I'm showing those cases were dismissed for compliance. Or I'm assuming for compliance. It doesn't say for compliance. It just says dismissed by party, which I would assume would have been the prosecutor.
The only thing I saw on the docket, Your Honor, was the defective bumper windshield.
All right.
Okay, Your Honor, if that's all she have, I'm willing to dismiss that.
Thank you for that recommendation.
Ms. Looney, take that 120, and that should get you close to getting a windshield.
Yes, it is. I'm going to get it. Promise.
All right. Appreciate your kindness, Corporal, because he didn't have to do that, man. All right.
I appreciate it.
No problem.
Right. Further, we'll dismiss the ticket. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you. And hurry up and get that windshield fixed, man. All right.
No problem. Thank you. And you all have a blessed day.
Okay.
Thank you again.
All right. Take care, Your Honor.
You be safe out there, Corporal Whitehead.
Okay.
All right. Did Samsung guy ever come back in? All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Joshua Grant. Let's see what he has going on here. "35th District, no license. That's 11/23/2022. No insurance. Suspended. Did you ever take care of the 36th district, 35th district?
No, I'm paying them now. I pay them every month. The 36th district I had before then, I paid all the cities in full. Only city that I owe is the 35th district court. That's the only one.
How long is it gonna take you to take care of that?
I just pay it. I got set up auto pay to come out my check every month. But I will speed it up.
Answer the question.
I have to look at my balance. I probably owe like $720. I could pay it, let me say 2-3 months. I'm gonna just have to speed it up. You know, I go to my calendar and I'll do a breakdown, Your Honor.
If it's a set for trial, I can give you up to the January 22nd day.
Could I get a little bit more time?
No.
I mean, this is what even though I am within my payment plan, I guess I'm making the time shorter.
What's the next court, what's the next day? We run out of trial dates on the 22nd.
Next, okay. So,
I think that, yes, it's messed up because I think I had over a year to pay it, but I just had it broke down a certain way. So I will, slip this in with my bills and everything else to speed it up.
All right, so you want January 22nd?
Yes, Your Honor.
2024 at 9 a.m. January 22nd, 2024, 9 a.m. There's nothing further, sir. Very good day. Best of luck to you.
Well, wait, Your Honor. Please don't go. Wait. My address, it needs to be updated in the system because when the 18753 Sunderland Road, Detroit, Michigan, 48219.
Spell that for me.
Okay. Oh, Sunderland. SUN, D is in dog, E is in Eric, R is in Robert. Okay.
I got LAND, right? I know that.
Yes, sir. Road 48219.
219. Okay.
Yes, sir.
8753 Sunderland, Detroit, yes. 48219. It just didn't sound like that when it came out. All right. Very good, sir. If there's nothing further, have a very good day.
I have insurance, sir. I have insurance in my registration. I didn't know if he was going to
keep it and bring it back with a valid license. All right.
Okay.
All right. Have a very good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Okay. Thank you.
Moto G Stylus. Ask you to unmute yourself.
All right.
All right. Good morning, sir. What's your name, please?
Mark Gray.
Mark Gray.
Yes.
Is that Markel Gray?
No, just Mark. M-A-R-K.
Oh, okay. Wow. All right. Okay. Snyder. Sergeant Thomas here. City of Detroit versus Mark Gray Jr., case number SP 1398477, counts 1 and counts 2. You can put 204-818-461 on the record as well. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield, on behalf of Mr. Gray, state your name for the record, please.
Mark Gray.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial / formal hearing. Do we have an officer Thornton? Officer Thornton. Hearing no response and not having seen that officer join the breakout room.
We move to dismiss those matters, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss on SP 1398477, counts 1 and counts 2. On the other matter, it's some kind of improper parking, and kind of written that as a civil infraction.
Oh yeah, cuz I'm tired of trouble.
Who is that?
Mr. Keith Garrett.
Oh, he can't. He signed now. He's got his volume together. I'm gonna dismiss those matters. You owe $108 on this improper parking, sir.
Okay.
All right, no officer. All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Keith Garrett.
Keith Garrett, sir.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
It's another illegal dumping ticket. City of Detroit and the state of Michigan.
I'm guilty, sir.
Versus Keith Garrett, case number S1463162 SX2455404. Appearance for the record, please. It's for
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant, Mr. Garrett, excuse me. State your name and only your name, please.
Keith Edward Garrett, sir.
Thank you.
This is not for until the 31st pretrial. What brings you in here so early?
Because I paid my traffic tickets off, sir. And I had a court date for today.
Not all of them you didn't pay, but
how many more are old, sir?
Well, I guess you did. Maybe that's another key. What's your middle name?
Edward, sir. I think that's how we be getting mixed up.
So Raymond on the bench warrant, Your Honor. For that purpose, please enter a not guilty plea on behalf of the defendant. He waives any more formal reading of the information complaint or warrant for today's hearing.
What's your date of birth?
4/14/1964, sir.
Yeah, he's got an illegal dumping ticket as well. And,
Yes, sir.
And that illegal dumping ticket is January at the end of the month on October 31st. And then this ticket here is set for arraignment today. We'll enter not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll consolidate both of them, give him a $0 bond. But he already said he's guilty. I don't know what he's guilty of. Speak with him in a breakout room. He didn't say he was guilty of, so talk to him before he makes the statement.
Understood.
What you doing, Mr. Garrett? Speak with the lawyer. That's a $500 fine. Dismiss the other matter, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then we have
sir, what I hear?
Did you see that breakout room? Saying breakout room, join room?
Yes.
Join, hit that. All right, let's go with Carmedia, Garrett.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Did I get the pronunciation right?
No, it's Gary.
Gary. And then Carmedia?
Carmita.
Carmita.
Yes.
All right. All right, good morning to you now.
Good morning to you too, Your Honor.
Let's see here. You were supposed to be here yesterday.
Yes, Your Honor. I had they had diagnosed me with cancer, so I had an MMR yesterday, and I got a biopsy today at 11 o'clock. So I'm like pressing with time. I know that's not no excuse, but I was at the hospital.
It's an excuse, and it's a good excuse. I mean, I'm sorry to hear that. City of Detroit versus Carmita Gary, case number U66126223 and U66193223. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradford on behalf of Ms. Gary. State your full name for the record, please.
Carmita Gary.
much. Ms. Gary, do you need some drug treatment?
No.
Your Honor, I don't see her on the docket sheet. Where is she located on the docket?
She was supposed to be here yesterday, but
Okay.
she's got 2 narcotics violations.
Okay.
Let's get drug treatment court on the line and let her speak to drug treatment court. All right. Stand by. Let's did you say what time do you have to be at the hospital, ma'am?
By 11 o'clock.
All right, let's do this. Let's have Hannah here. Let's have her back on another day. So you can get to your doctor's appointment. After purposes of arraignment, counselor.
For purpose of arraignment, she stand mute and wait for more readings, Your Honor.
And I'll enter a not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond and recall of warrants. Ms. Gary, I'm gonna have you, when you come back, I want you to speak to drug treatment court, all right?
Okay.
I want you to just have a conversation and let them know, and have a conversation and hear what they have to offer you, okay? But in the meantime, I want you to take care of your health and you get healthy and get rid of that cancer, okay?
Pardon me, Your Honor.
I say I want you to get healthy, all right? In the meantime, I want you to come back on November 27th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. Okay?
Okay, I will be there.
All right, make sure you get healthy though, all right?
I am.
All right, have a great day, ma'am. November 27th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. Have a blessed day.
Larry. What's Larry's last name? You're breaking up. Larry, what's your last name? Lies? Great. No, Larry Lies is on the phone. Graves. Okay, I see it. Jerome. City of Detroit versus Larry Jerome Graves, case number SP 147-4324, counts 1, SP 147-6422, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Graves. State name for the record, please.
Larry Graves.
All right, Mr. Graves, do you have valid insurance?
Yes.
Show the court the insurance, please. I can't see it. You're gonna have to get away from that window, something, or turn it. All right, let's see. That's not in your name either. What's your close?
My girlfriend name.
I see is that 2003 Pontiac.
Yes.
All right, I'm satisfied. Pay $175 for this failure for amended count of this point ticket, failure to use turn signal or something. And we'll close the other matters out. That's a 0-point offense. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State. You want to take the deal, sir?
Okay, you said I pay how much?
Blocking traffic, $175 is a 0-point offense. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State.
Okay, because I'm trying to play that. I have social. I get disability, so I need time to pay that.
All right, how much time do you need?
I mean, like about 30 days.
Okay. You want to take the deal?
Yes, look how much it is.
You stipulate to the face of $175. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis. We're that responsible plea counselor.
Okay.
We still stipulate, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
We still stipulate, Your Honor.
All right. I'll find him responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. That's a 0-point offense. It's a civil infraction, doesn't abstract. I'll dismiss the other two matters. Pay it by November the 13th, 2023. All right, Mr. Graves.
All right.
If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Gonzalez Edgar. He's got the illegal dumping. What is the City of Detroit versus, well, let's go back on the record with Keith Garrett. Mr. Garrett, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, my client is consumed with the need to do the right thing here today. He's going to make a factual basis and waive his right to any further hearings or trials. And he's ready to enter a plea according to the recommendation.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Garrett?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, Mr. Garrett?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hands down, sir. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes, sir.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Mr. Bachman went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir, Your Honor.
You understand by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right. Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir, Your Honor.
All right, we draw your attention back to June the 9th, 2023 at around 9:49 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Woodmont and Ellis Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and time?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
And what did you do, sir?
I was helping a young lady move in the house, and she had some extra stuff like 2 mattresses and some other debris, and she asked me to place it in the back of her house, which I didn't want to do. I told her we'd probably get a ticket for it, but I take full responsibility for it because I also have a landscaping business and I understand.
All right. But you put that in the area, you didn't put that in her backyard. You took that in the area of Woodmont and Ellis, though.
Yeah, I put it behind her house, sir. Like behind the garage. Yes, sir.
Okay, very well. All right, I'm gonna find you guilty as charged. I'm gonna fine you $500, 12-month delayed sentence. With the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other misdemeanor.
So stipulated, Your Honor. I did want to also add that the defendant did pick that debris up at the scene. I'm not sure if he did it at the same time, but he did alleviate the waste.
Yes, sir, I did.
As did, well, at least, the other gentleman said the same thing. I still find 500 is just a problem, it's pervasive. And
We
he
understand.
would not, and I understand his contrition because he is here, and he understands.
Yes, sir.
But my policy on this is 500 for everybody across the board. But I'll give you some time to pay. I'm going to find you guilty, 12-month delay. I'm going to set a review date for January 12th, 2024. Make sure it's paid by then, all right?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right, come on back.
Great day.
January
God
12th.
bless you, sir.
God bless you as well, sir. And come back January 12th, 2024. I wish you the best of luck, and then we'll review it at that time, all right?
Could I ask you one question?
Sir,
Since I paid my tickets off, will I be able to get my license?
yeah, you should. I don't think that you had, I don't think that any of this stuff was affecting your license. Oh, I'm gonna waive the warrant fee on that other ticket, and he's gonna be responsible to pay the reinstatement fee. So on that one state ticket that you have, that is going to be, okay. So, what is your date of birth?
04/14/1964, sir.
All right, yeah, so I don't see anything here that's affecting his license.
So
Pay
I
that.
owe, I will owe reinstatement fee?
On one ticket, but those reinstatement fees, let me see what time do you got this ticket. Yeah, that reinstatement fee is not affecting your license. It's not affecting your license. So I don't see anything here that's affecting your license. Now, so I would go to the Secretary of State, and then the Secretary of State should be able to tell you if there is something out there. They should be able to tell you exactly what course and everything. Tell them to give you a printout, and that way that'll be a start. But it doesn't appear that anything down here is affecting your license.
Yes, sir. Last 90 days, I've been there maybe 3 times, sir. I'm trying to get everything in order.
But did you get a printout though?
Yeah, I did, sir.
So that printout should tell you all the courthouses that are affecting your license.
This it. As of today, everything done.
All right, wait 48 to 72 hours and try to reapproach them then.
Okay, thank you.
If it's something else we can do for you, don't hesitate to zoom in, because I want to see you get that license.
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Garrett, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you.
Right. All right, Madam Schneider, your attorney left, detective left. Where's Madam Schneider left? That's for Gonzalez.
Yes.
Let's go to Carlos Gonzalez. That's Edgar Gonzalez. Let's see if we get Ms. Snyder back in here. Her witness left. Do we have a copy of the ticket?
I requested a copy. I'm waiting for it. I'm calling them right now.
When did you request that copy?
This morning.
All right, Carlos, is this Carlos Luis Gonzalez?
No, this is Carlos Emmanuel Gonzalez.
Is that Gonzalez with an S?
Yes, yes, sir.
What's your date of birth?
February 14, 1993.
I have February 19th, 1993.
No, it's February 14, 1993.
Maybe they have it in here wrong, but I don't see anything. I don't see a Carlos Emmanuel Gonzalez. I just see a Carlos Gonzalez with that date of
Yeah,
birth.
yeah, it's Carlos Gonzalez, but I think they might have my date of birth wrong.
Is it Carlos Gonzalez Cortez?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Where do you see that?
835 docket,
Let's see.
fourth name.
Oh, Carlos Gonzalez Cortez, but I think this might be Carlos Gonzalez as well. But maybe not. This must be a point, maybe could be a coincidence. What's your date of birth again?
February 14, 1993, Your Honor.
Oh, there. City of Detroit versus Carlos Gonzalez Cortez, case number SP 149-78851. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Daphne Bradford on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez Cortez. State your name for the record, sir.
Carlos Emmanuel Gonzalez Cortez.
Do you have valid insurance, sir?
No. So what happened is that when
hold on. Let's not go too deep into it. I need you to turn your camera on.
Okay, right here.
Oh, you're at work. Take your hood off. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
You have a car? Or you're in a car?
Well, I'm in manager's vehicle. My manager's car.
You don't own a vehicle?
No, what happened is that I had to turn my lease in. My lease was over, so I had no insurance, so I had to cancel the insurance to turn my lease in.
You don't own a vehicle now?
No, not as of right now. I'm thinking which one, because I have to turn my lease in and then get a new vehicle, so I have to wait on my new vehicle.
Are you getting a new vehicle?
Yes, I'm getting a new vehicle.
When?
A week or two.
All right, come back next month with some valid insurance, all right?
Okay, can I ask you a question? I really have a lot of work going on lately, since we're getting towards the end of the season at work construction. So I was wondering if I could just play guilty and then just pay the fine.
$240 improper plate. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Miss Bradfield. All right, join the room.
I really appreciate that, Your Honor. Thank you.
On the phone, this is Larry Lige on the phone. Know that. Lewis Lige.
Yes, sir.
Lewis Lige. Henry Lamar Ledford.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Henry Lamar Ledford, case number SP 148-02251. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, please state your name.
Henry Lamar Ledford.
Today is the date and time set for a
Pre-trial, Judge. I think we should set this for trial.
Yeah, they're not gonna get you off, they want to speak to the officer and hear their version of what happened, what they say happened. Let's set a trial for January 23rd, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right, Mr. Ledford?
Okay, January 24th.
Yep. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, you have a great day and God bless you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. On the iPhone, who came in on the iPhone super late?
I was running a little late because I
Oh, you're
overslept.
free to leave. Free to leave,
Oh.
Mr. Ledford.
Okay, thank you.
All right. There's another one
Yes.
that came in.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yes. What's your name, please?
Andrew Gonzalez.
Andrew Gonzalez. Good morning to you. All right, so all we have is, we have Lige is here.
Yes, sir.
Randy Langford did not show, so let's bring these officers out. Corporal Bennett. Let's bring all the officers out and let's get this. Get everybody on their way. Corporal Bennett, he's in the breakout. They're not going to show. It's too late now anyway. Valerie Griffin did not show.
The very last show,
Yeah, Larry Lige show.
did this, complete?
No,
They didn't show.
I'm just going to mark the file and say
Oh,
that.
okay.
To say that. Corporal Bennett did show.
All right.
And then on Griffin.
Very last.
Laja did Detective Laja.
Did Lundy show?
Lundy did not show. They missed the bus because the officer didn't show either. Gather didn't show. So we got Gonzalez and Lige and everybody, that's the only two that showed. And then what was that Gonzalez that we had that's on the phone? I asked you to turn your camera on.
Yes, sir.
No, the other, on the iPhone. Well, you may have an iPhone too, but the one I just asked to unmute themselves that came in late.
Wait for the second.
It doesn't matter. They didn't show. We need Miss what's your name, sir? Unmute yourself.
Mr. Long, Damon Long.
Oh, Long. Oh, I thought you were Long.
Yeah, I was the iPhone that came in late.
All right, Long. DeAndre Long.
Yes, sir.
Are we on the best phone number to reach that is the one we were talking on earlier?
What's your date of birth?
10/6/89.
Happy belated birthday. This is the city of Detroit versus DeAndre Long, case number SP 106-14431, SP 139-6433, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 145-67821, and 2, count 1 and 2, SP 146-95651. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman for the defendant, Mr. Long. State your name.
Have you ever been? On the date of the accident, do you have any register your name, whether it was?
State your name, sir.
Damon Long.
Yeah, this matters here.
Yeah.
We're here for a show cause.
I can't hear.
I'm sorry to interrupt everybody.
I couldn't hear you.
It's got, the matters have warrants on them.
So we'll wait any more formal reading of the information complaint or warrant, Your Honor, and ask that a not guilty plea be entered at this time on behalf of the defendant.
I only called the case because I thought it was just one ticket. Now they call up and tell those tickets on there. And they're not guilty. And they're not guilty playing your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. He's got at least the open alcohol of motor vehicle passenger. There's no reduced plea on that. It's $240 fine, 2 points on his driving record, and a alcohol related offense on his record. He's got a driver's license, never acquired, no insurance, and no insurance. And let me put you in a breakout room and talk to him, Mr. Baughman. Join the room, please, sir. All right, let's go with lies.
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Lewis Lies. Case numbers, we get all these together. SP 1424994, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1428675, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1433381, SP 1440001, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1433478 1. I don't see on here. SP 1440041 13459462. 16315689 and 19-512-9472. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradford on behalf of Mr. Lyde. State your full name for the record, sir.
Mr. Lewis Rennie Light.
Okay, officers, let's get Corporal McCree. Appearance for the record. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. Corporal Jamie McCree, badge 2865, Detroit Police.
All right, Officer Backstresser, good morning to you.
Good morning, Officer Kakish, badge number 8546 precinct.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Backdresser, badge 8.
All right, good morning, Officer Cactus and Officer Backdresser. All right, let's see. And Officer Muhammad was here as well. Offer for lies is pleading to 1 count of failure to display, 2 counts of improper plate, 1 count defective equipment. Dismiss the rest. I'll dismiss the 2 improper plates upon payment of $240 a piece. The defective equipment I'll close out for $120. And the FTD is $240 as well. And that's going to stay on this record as a misdemeanor and abstract to the Secretary of State, but it won't carry any points. Ms. Bradfield, I'm gonna put in the, I'll put you in another room with Mr. Lige, and you can speak with him about the offer, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
He's in there.
Hello?
All right, I've got you all checked in. It's outside of him wanting to trial. I don't see, I don't know if that's gonna happen or not. Then you're free to leave.
Do I still have to pay my ticket or?
No, not you, sir.
Oh, sorry.
Your Honor, this Corporal McCree. You said the officer's free to leave regarding Mr. Lige.
Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be anything. Why don't you just sit tight for a second and see if Ms. Bradfield, if he indicates that he wants some sort of trial.
Okay.
I don't see it really happening, but who knows? Stranger things have happened. All right, let's pass that matter. Let's go ahead with Mr. Boffman. Oh, I had you in the breakout room with Mr. Long. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Long. Mr. Boffman, what did your client come up with?
Thank you, Your Honor, for the opportunity to speak with the defendant. He's been advised of his rights. He's not going to waive those rights today in order to take advantage of a plea offer. And we're asking that the matters be set here for a trial date, please. And that the warrants be set aside here and the matter be, each of the matters be set for trial.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Long?
Yes, sir.
Did anyone in his?
I'm back on
I'm not sure what.
23rd.
Nobody had all
January 23rd, 2024 at 9 a.m. It would help you if you came back with some valid registration and a license and insurance as well, all right?
Okay, but I don't even own that vehicle anymore, Your Honor.
Well, if you have a vehicle, you got the Cartiers on and all that good stuff.
Cartier don't mean nothing. See,
I know you're
don't mean
rolling. I know you're rolling good. So come back with some insurance on come back with some insurance on a vehicle you own at that time, all right?
okay.
All right.
But all right, these Cartiers fake still, Mr. Perkins.
Yeah, that's what he says. That's what he says now. You know what I'm saying? I bet it's a serial number and all that on there. Hey, to be honest with you, I had some fake ones on too. What's Ocho Cinco say? He say, shoot, I saved all my money. I went and lost me. I got me some false jewelry and everything. They looking real, so you know. All right, come back on January 23rd, sir, 2024 at 9 a.m. We'll get some resolution to this matters. Have a great day. All right. Corporal Bennett, your client, your person never showed. I'll write it down on the file that you appeared, and you're free to leave. Not that fake, you know, they're talking about getting some money from somebody. Each officer, Balaha.
Yes, Your Honor.
Give me the correct pronunciation. I'm going to get that right.
Yes, Your Honor. It's Balia.
Balia. Okay, I'm gonna mark you as a peer as well because Detective Balia, I'm gonna mark you as a peer as well because that individual didn't show up. Valerie Griffin did not show.
Okay, Your Honor.
Yeah, I tried to let you guys know earlier. I don't know where Corporal Bennett is, but I'm putting a failure to appear $0 bond warrant on. All right, have a great day. Be safe out there, all right?
Thank you, sir. You and your staff have a wonderful day.
You as well, thank you. All right. Offer for Edgar Gonzalez is a 12-month delay. Who's here? Mr. Baldwin? $500 fine.
I can go in the breakout.
Did he just leave? He gone.
Yep.
He left. He's like, I don't know. Who knows?
There you go. He's back.
Join the breakout room, Mr. Gonzalez, and speak with the lawyer.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Oh, wrong. Gonzalez.
You had, join the breakout room, Mr. Gonzalez, Edgar Gonzalez.
Oh.
Ms. Bradford, are we ready on, Gonzalez Cortez?
Oh, Mr. Cortez?
Gonzalez
Yes.
Cortez wanted to pay.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Carlos Emmanuel Gonzalez Cortez. What do you want to do? The client wants to plead guilty to this improper plate.
Mr. Cortez?
Yes, ma'am.
Amended count of improper plate is $240 fine. It won't abstract to the Secretary of State. I'll dismiss the misdemeanor upon payment. Do you want to do that, sir?
Yeah, I'd rather just pay, find myself guilty and pay for the fine.
Did
And
you read his advice and rights, Miss Bradfield?
Did I go into a breakout room with you, sir?
No, you didn't.
Here, we'll
Yeah.
join the breakout room with him and speak to him. Rejoin the breakout room, Mr. Gonzalez Cortez.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Are we done?
Let's rush real quick.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Edgar Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, my client's been advised of his rights. He's going to waive those here and now. He's going to plead pursuant to the recommendation, and he's ready to make a factual basis. Thank you.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gonzalez?
Yeah.
It's going to be a $500 fine, 12-month delay. I'm going to give you 90 days to pay the fine. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right, you put your hand down. You understand, sir, you have the maximum possible penalty. This offense is 93 days in jail and $500 in fines.
Okay, so I got 93 days to pay it.
No, you understand the maximum possible penalty is 93 days in jail or $500.
Oh, okay. Yep, I do.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yep.
You understand by taking this off, I mean, Mr. Baldwin went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
What was that? I can't really.
Went over your advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Oh, yes, he did. Yep.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know you're going to give up those rights once you take this deal?
Yep. Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention. Let me draw your attention back to August the 14th, 2022 at around 5:30 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Christiancy and McKinstry Street. Sir, did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and time?
Yes, sir.
And what did you do over there?
Load up a van and dump a little bit of stuff that was in the van in front of my brother's girlfriend's house.
All right, in somebody's neighborhood, right? Or so it wasn't your property, was it?
No, it was my brother's girl's house.
You know what I'm saying? It wasn't your property you were dumping on, was it?
No, but we had permission from his girlfriend.
Not to dump it in that area, did you?
What was that?
You got permission to dump that stuff in that in that area?
Yeah, it was a Sunday. Then the next day was going to be a Monday, which
What I'm saying is you're taking your brother's girlfriend's trash, and instead of throwing it away or paying for it to be disposed of.
No. What I'm saying, no,
I'm asking you a question. Instead of paying for it and disposing of it properly, you went over in this area and just took it and dumped it in a field or something, did you not?
Yes.
And nobody owned that. Nobody that owned that property. Your girlfriend didn't own that property where you dumped it, did she?
No.
Your brother didn't own that property, did he?
No.
You didn't own that property, did you? We lost him. Let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gonzalez-Cortez. Mr. Gonzalez-Cortez, I've given you an opportunity to speak, Ms. Bradfield, in breakout room. Are we ready? Are we ready on this, Ms. Bradfield?
Your Honor, if you could do me a favor and read the location of this incident.
Of the no insurance?
Yes, Your Honor.
I see East Grand Boulevard and Westbrook on September 8th, 2023 at 6:49 a.m. in the morning.
And does it have any notes in this note section?
No notes. It's a 2021 Chevrolet, black in color. It has a plate number. It has a cell phone number here. But no notes, just a no insurance misdemeanor.
Okay, we'd like to set this matter for a trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you wanted to do, Mr. Gonzalez-Cortez?
Yes, Yes, Your Honor.
All right, trial date is going to be January 23rd, 2024 at 9 a.m., all right? There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Can you repeat the date again, please?
January 24th. I mean, strike that, January 23rd, 2024 at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right. Have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Thank
Is this
you. You
Mr.
too.
Gonzalez? Edgar Gonzalez?
Am I okay to go?
Yeah, you're free to leave.
Okay,
On
thank
the
you, Your
phone,
Honor.
is that Mr. Edgar Gonzalez? Is that Mr. Lige?
Yes,
Thank you, Your
yes, I'm back. I'm back in, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lige. I've given you an opportunity, Mr. Lige, to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I did speak to Mr. Lige about his rights to a trial. He would like to enter a guilty and a responsible plea and accept the people's recommendation. Is that correct, Mr. Lige?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so let's let the officers go. Officers McCree, Corporal McCree, Officer Bacter, Officer Kakis, have a very good day. Be safe out there, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good one.
All right. Okay, let's raise your right hand, Mr. Lige, please.
It's
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense, 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes,
Mr. Lige, you understand, Ms. Bradfield went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did she not?
yes,
You understood those rights?
yes, Your Honor.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, let me draw your attention back to March the 7th, 2023, around 2:29 p.m. in the city of Detroit, area of Littlefield Street in West Chicago. You have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department, sir?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No,
Why is that?
I don't have a license yet, sir.
Okay, and did that officer ask you to produce valid registration and insurance?
Yes, Your Honor.
You couldn't do that either, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
I didn't have it.
All right, I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of failure to display for not having a license. I'm gonna find you as charged guilty for the improper plate. What was wrong with the plate on that car, sir?
Where the person whose car was said it didn't go to nothing. It went to that car, but the officer said it's showing that it didn't come up to nothing, and I didn't know that, and I brought it back to the owner and never drove it again.
So that wasn't his car. And you didn't have registration for that vehicle either, did you?
No, sir.
Are you satisfied, Ms. Bradfield?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, I'm satisfied. I'll find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate for the unregistered untitled, and I'll find him guilty as charged with as charged the improper plate. For the civil infraction, that wasn't your car, sir?
No, sir.
We'll dismiss that. 240 is 240.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We will waive the warrant, fee, pay the reinstatement fee, stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matters per the plea, and then for no recollection for the one and no officers for the other, if you want to stipulate the probable cause.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find, all right, let's, when can you pay it, sir? It's gonna be like 7/6/20, but you're gonna have some other, I'll waive the warrant fee, you're gonna have some reinstatement fees. When can you pay?
Well, I was just told the attorney I had came down there and gave 300 on October 2nd, but I need some time to at least December, January 2024, Your Honor.
All right, come back on a review January 12th, 2024. Make sure it's paid by then and we can close the matters out, all right?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great day, sir.
Have a better one.
Thank you. All right, let's go lastly back on the record with Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, I mentioned to you about this dumping. You didn't have any permission to dump that stuff in that area, did you?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna find him guilty as charged. I'll take it under a 12-month delay, $500 fine. I want you to pay this fine before January 12th, okay?
Okay, that sounds good.
All right, come back on January 12th, 2024, and we'll check, we'll review it at that time, all right?
All right, thank you.